Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to create and use avatars in WhatsApp application. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. It's a new update. This is on the WhatsApp. So what's first of all you will open your WhatsApp. So here at the top corner there are three horizontal dots. So you will simply tap on the dots. Here at the settings you will tap on settings. So at the second option there is avatar option. You will simply tap on avatar. So here is the option of create your avatar. You will simply tap on create your avatar. So these are the skin tone of your avatar. So you will tap on next. So these are the hairstyles which you want to add on your avatar. So these are the outfits. This is the body, eye colors, it's eye makeup. Okay, your nose, your lips. Okay, when you have done with the dressing and these mustache, so when you have done this setting of your avatar like clothes, accessories, hairstyles, mustaches, beards, you will simply tap on the top corner done. You will tap on save the changes and your avatar has been updated. You will simply tap on next. So here you can, now your avatar of the WhatsApp has been created. If you want to create this profile picture you will simply tap on create profile picture. So these are the avatars. You will simply tap on the tick of the top corner and your profile picture will be here. Not a profile picture but your avatar has been created. Sorry, it's a net problem, so we will on our data. Okay, so we will go to settings and create profile picture. You will simply tap on the tick mark and profile picture has been updated. So you can look, your profile picture has been updated. So this was the process of creating and using the avatar on WhatsApp. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.